Okay, our next construction is an angle of 60 degrees without using a protractor or set square. Okay, that's it. They didn't give us any lines, they didn't give us anything. Okay, so I need to think about, okay, where have I seen a 60-degree angle before? Okay, so 60-degree angle, this is specific. Okay, it's not going to be a different angle, it's 60 degrees for this construction. Okay, so where have we seen that before? In an equilateral triangle. Okay, if all sides were the same length, then all the angles are the same. Okay, so it must be 60 and 60 and 60, so they add up to 180, the total degrees of a triangle. So here, to manage to get that angle of 60 degrees, I'm just going to start constructing a equilateral triangle. Okay, now to construct an equilateral triangle, okay, that means that I have three sides that are the same length. So, because it says without using a protractor, so I can't do one of my constructions where I have like side angle side or something like that. Okay, it's going to be side, side, side. Okay, so it's like construction 10, given three side lengths. Okay, whatever the side lengths you decide are, so let's say we say that they're like length 9, 9 and 9, okay, just as an example. Okay, I would draw my first side of length 9. Okay, so I would come across here. Now, I'm purposely actually not going to do this construction with a length of 9, okay, because you don't actually need to know the length. Okay, so I've done that a little bit more than 9 here. Okay, so that you can see it doesn't actually matter what the length is. Okay, why? Because I'm going to mirror the length. I'm going to get that length using my compass. Yeah, this is going a bit dodgy on me. Okay. So, using my compass, okay, I'm going to say, how can I get the other two sides to be the same length? Okay, so I just stretch my compass to whatever that length is. Okay, that's how I figure out all the other points that could possibly be that distance away from the needle. Okay, so I do a nice arc. And I also want to find from here what points are that distance away from over here. Okay, so same thing again, and you'll see when I have the distance set, I haven't touched the arm that has the pencil on it. Okay, but what I am going to do is I'm going to draw an arc to find all the different points that are that distance away from over here. Okay, so my equilateral triangle, my third point in that equilateral triangle there is that point there. Okay, because it's this distance away from here because of this arc, and it's this distance away from here because of that arc. Okay, so that's the third point in my equilateral triangle. So if I was to go and start drawing out my equilateral triangle, okay, I would connect up there, those 2 points together. Okay, and then I can stop drawing my equilateral triangle because it wasn't actually the equilateral triangle that they wanted, it was that angle of 60 degrees.